Oh, hey there, friends. I am Dr. Barbie Wasson with River Point Family Acupuncture, and this is River Point's podcast where we get to the point on all things acupuncture, health, and vitality in the River Valley. You may have noticed that last week we missed a podcast. That was my own fault. So this week we're putting out 2 podcasts. And so here we are doing the second one on the fly. You might hear Keely in the background, and that's okay. We're just going to get through it today. But it's a great subject, so listen in. Today, we are talking about something very close to my heart, prenatal care, because I have the deepest love, appreciation, and admiration for our amazing pregnant mamas doing the profound work of bringing life into the world. I think it can be pretty easy, though, myself included, to romanticize pregnancy, especially in the days of social media. This can make expectations and excitement run really high, which is all fine and well, but the amount of changes your body is about to go through is incredible, to say the least, and can have effects on you might not have been considering. Like, for instance, the nervous system's version of pregnancy. While everyone loves to talk about the bump, the cravings, the swollen ankles, the tiny baby clothes that are so cute they'll make you want to cry, one of the biggest changes in pregnancy is happening somewhere you can't see: your nervous system. Yes, ladies, if you are pregnant, your nervous system is pregnant too. Pregnancy is not you plus your belly. Your body is building an entirely new human while reorganizing almost every major system you've got, all while your resources become almost exclusively baby-focused. Blood volume goes way up, hormones are on the move, your immune system, metabolism, heart, sleep, digestion, breathing, circulation, all changing all at once in a choreographed, dizzying dance that would make anyone's head spin. That's a huge amount of adaptation, and your nervous system is the one trying to coordinate, interpret, and manage all of it nonstop. So, if you're pregnant and feeling more emotional, more sensitive, more tired, more not like yourself, even though you're genuinely grateful and excited, you are not weak, you are not ungrateful, and you are certainly not just complaining. You're adapting in real time to a massive physiological event. When your nervous system gets overwhelmed, your body will always choose survival and protection first, and fine-tuned regulation second. Normally, this would be survival and protection of yourself, but something funny happens in pregnancy. Your body prioritizes baby. When this happens, fine-tuned regulation can really take a hit. That can look like poor or restless sleep, more muscle tension, new or changing digestive issues, anxiety that feels louder than usual, feeling on edge or teary for no reason, shortness of breath, heart palpitations, and a level of fatigue that feels deeper than just a little tired. And also some pretty wicked mood swings. Most women try to power through it. They assume, I guess, this is just what pregnancy is like, and they grit their teeth and carry on. Yes, pregnancy does stretch you physically and emotionally, but a chronically overloaded, buzzing nervous system does not have to be your normal baseline for 9 months. This is where support matters. Not just support for your back and hips, nervous system support. One of the most common things I hear after treating pregnant patients is some version of, I finally feel calm. I can actually sleep. My body relaxed for the first time in weeks. I feel like myself again. Those things can actually matter just as much as your blood pressure and your lab work. I almost dropped my phone. Acupuncture helps regulate the nervous system while also supporting circulation, muscle tension, digestion, sleep, stress hormones, and the pregnancy itself. It gives your body a chance to shift out of constant go mode and into a more regulated state so you can respond instead of just reacting. In Chinese medicine, pregnancy care is never only about the baby. It's about the entire environment the baby is growing in. your body, your mind, your emotions, and your energy. Your nervous system is part of that environment. And hint, hint, ladies, I know your body will do what it has to do to keep baby safe and thriving. So while you're busy doing that, my job is to make sure that you are safe and thriving. It's really a win-win. And remember, the goal here is not perfection. The goal is resilience. A regulated nervous system doesn't mean you never feel stress or never have a hard day. It means your body has more capacity to experience stress and then recover from it instead of staying stuck there. It's more about rolling with the punches than avoiding them altogether. That's important during pregnancy. It's important during postpartum. Honestly, that's important for motherhood, period. And I want to also say this because pregnancy has a sneaky way of turning women into full-time caretakers overnight. You matter too. Remember that whole thing about putting your oxygen mask on first? Everyone asks about the baby. Some will ask how you are. Almost no one will ask how your nervous system is holding up. Your sleep matters. Your stress levels matter. Your emotional state matters. Your recovery time matters. Your body is doing one of the most incredible jobs a human body can do. It deserves support while it does it, especially the part of you that's quietly managing all of these changes behind the scenes. If you're pregnant and you recognize yourself in this, if you feel like your nervous system is truly exhausted, I'd love to support you. Acupuncture can be a gentle, safe way to help you feel more grounded, more rested, and more like yourself while your body does this huge, beautiful, incredible task. So come on in, lay down, relax, and let's make sure you're feeling your best during this sacred time. That is it for today's River Points podcast. As always, with wishes of wellness, I'm Dr. Barbie Wasson, your slightly obsessed but very loving nervous system doula, reminding you you're not just growing a baby, you're growing a new version of you too, and she deserves care.